All right, everybody. We're here in our live stream. Got lots to cover today. Let's just wait till we get more people on the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Got 6 people in the house. Welcome. All right, everybody. Hello, Ricky. How are you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream. We got 7 people in the live stream right now. Ricky's in the house. If we look at the one-day time frame, I think you guys all lived through that, and it was not a good experience. A lot of people got liquidated. We saw this flash crash that started here, and saw this flash crash that happened here. Let me just zoom that up. And it went down to here. So that flash crash that happened the other day on the 18th, it was about a minus 30% drop instantly in a second. So a lot of people got liquidated, a lot of longs got liquidated. It was bad for everybody. A lot of people panic sell. A lot of people had paper hands, and they just couldn't stand the heat in the kitchen, so they sold, which is a big mistake, because all of this flash crash was all maneuvered manipulation by the whales. Basically, they wanted to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they wanted to manipulate the market by doing a short sell, leveraging, liquidating all the longs, and have downward selling pressure. We saw the China bans crypto news in Reuters, which was pure manipulation. That was something that was basically rehashed from 2017, as I talked about in my videos. And a lot of people bought into the FUD. We also saw some rumors that the USTD, it was going to lose its peg with the US dollar. So that also created more FUD, and that had some severe buying pressure. So we saw a 30% retracement, and then last night we also saw another small dump, and we got as low as 33,000, and we saw about a 21% correction yesterday as well. This again was pure manipulation. We saw this article come out, reiterated FUD, Chinese government to continue monitoring Bitcoin mining. Well, nothing has changed, guys. This is just FUD. This is something that was released 2013 is when China first banned crypto, and 2017, the last bull run, they did exactly the same thing. They rehashed it, caused the markets to dump, and you know, and a lot of people with paper hands, they just sold everything off, and they basically walked into the whale's hands, and they were able to come in and swoop up in 2017. Huge dump, almost a 40% correction, and then things went up. This is pure manipulation. The only thing that's more interesting this time, let me just drink my coffee. The only thing that's more interesting this time is that we have major institutions, people like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, all these big banks who know how to manipulate the market. Okay, they know how to do their tricks. So that's really what's going on, guys. So you guys just need to, you know, love the Doge, love the community. You guys need to not panic. You guys need to hodl, because if you sell now, you're just falling into the whalish games, guys. So you need to stop that crap right now, and you need to hold. All right. So let's you know, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. Is what's happening in crypto markets right now is pure FUD, and it's pure FUD manipulation by institutions and exchanges. They want to basically liquidate the longs. They want to drive the price down so they can swoop in and take the cheap Bitcoin and other cryptos from the retail investors. That's it. That's all. That's what's happening. No big deal. The end. So if you fall into the trap and you sell, that's your loss. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my opinion on the live stream. All right, guys. So anybody have any questions for me right now? Let's check it out. We got Simon in the house. Thank you, Simon. We got Greg. Hey, Greg, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, so any questions in the house? Someone's asking when will Doge hit $1. I think on June 9th, when Elon Musk makes a big announcement. I think there'll be 2 announcements on June 9th, and that will be two things. I think Elon Musk will be announcing that Doge is accepting Elon Musk is accepting Doge to buy a Tesla, and that Elon Musk will reveal his $1.5 billion Doge wallet. So yeah, that's what I think. That's when I think we're going to hit $1. I think coming real soon. Hey, Rob from Australia, what do you see Doge by the end of 2022? I think you know, $1.50, $1.95. That's my target. Love from India. Hey, Swami, welcome. So someone's asking if now I just want you guys to know I'm using rx.com. This is a free tool, guys. If you go to my description, you'll see the link. Click on the link. It's absolutely free. It's a great tool because, you know, it gives you news, a news feed, so you can check out the news feed. It also gives you some information, an analyst feed. It talks about, you know, where they think Bitcoin is going, where Doge is going. So it gives you a good analyst feed. It also talks about some signals. So I think this is really, you know, different whale alerts, all of this kind of stuff. So you get some signals, alerts, some Telegram stuff, Discord. So it's a good little tool. You know, you can play with it, take a look at it, and see what you think about it. I love it. It's a great tool. Yeah, I mean, remember when you're watching Bitcoin and other stuff, you need to learn how to zoom out, guys, and see the trend. So if you look at the overall trend, you can still see that if I switch to the if I switch to the weekly time frame, you can see that you know, we're still in a bullish uptrend. You know, even though we had a sizable correction here on the week. You know, on the week we are down. Let's measure that move. So if we look at how much we're down for this week, we're down about 36. You know, we took a low of minus 35%. So, but if you look at the overall trend, it's still pretty positive, guys. So let's take a look at where we are crypto-wise right now today. Any super chats out there? Someone's asking when I think Dogecoin could go to $10. Well, it all depends on the utility. You know, if this gets adopted as the cryptocurrency of the world, and there's more utility added to it, then you will see Doge could go to $10. When that's going to happen, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm going to be releasing a video later tonight, Asia time, and the Dogecoin developers have some really breaking news, some really great interesting stuff. It has to do with utility. They're apparently signing up a deal with some Fortune 500 companies that will start to accept Doge as payment. So if that happens, that's going to be really fantastic news, and that could take Dogecoin to the next level. So yeah, that's basically some interesting news that's coming out. I'm going to be releasing a video. Also, I'm going to be releasing a video at 12 o'clock Bangkok time as well. I'm going to talk about the FUD. I'm going to talk about how to buy the dip, what coins you could possibly pick up besides Doge, of course, and you know, how you can avoid falling into the FUD trap, how you can avoid you know, the crypto panic and fear. Definitely buy the dips, and some basic price targets from where I think things are going. So guys, I got 77 people watching. I've only got 18 likes. I need you guys to smash the likes right now. Please do it now. Go down below and gently smash those likey. Okay, guys, please like the channel. Please like this live stream. That's going to be really helpful. Do it now, please. Any super chats out there? Who else we got in the house? We got Rosa in the house. Hey, Rosa, welcome. Any super chats out there? Okay, so let's take a look at what's been happening. Let's first pull back a little bit. Let's take a look at what's happening in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is down 26%. Wow. Ethereum is down a whopping 42%. I mean, I'm holding a big bag of Ethereum. I'm still pretty bullish on Ethereum right now, guys. So I'm not panicking. I mean, I bought Ethereum when it was $340. So I mean, I'm still in a hell of a big profit. So I'm happy. BNB, big pullback, 47%. I picked up some BNB just after the crash. So hopefully that will come back to where it was before, you know, when it was up at 600 bucks. ADA's had a 29% pullback. XRB's had a 32% pullback. Doge has had a 37% pullback. DOT 53%. You know, and the list goes on. We're seeing a lot of red, boys, a lot of blood in the streets, as they would say. Maddox had a 14% pullback, so not that bad in 7 days when you compare to the other top altcoins. VED is back down 43%. So we're seeing we're still seeing a massive pullback in the last 7 days. Nothing has really been up. If we go to the last 24-hour, guys, let's take a look at what's going on. Boom, there we go. Bitcoin is now 36,600, almost 10%. Ethereum is down another 16%. BNB is down 20%. ADA 14%. Doge is 15%, and DOT. So right now, if I look at this, some people are looking at it in a very negative way, but you know, I see it as a positive way. This is a really good time to go in and bargain hunt. Go and buy the dips, guys. Go in right now. I mean, you know, you can pick up some BNB at 19%. Not too long ago, this was over 600 bucks. So this is really a good chance to pick some stuff up. All right, guys. Let me look at some of these chats here. Any super chats out there? Any super chats? Mello 101. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Here it's kind of rainy, overcast. I just got back from Saigon last night. Sorry, I wasn't live streaming last week. I was in Saigon. I have to get my shoulder checked. I have a metal plate in there. So I'm going to do surgery in about 2 weeks to take it out because it's annoying the hell out of me. Yeah, so I've got a metal plate right here in my shoulder, and it's time to come out. It's been about a year. Hey from Australia, how you doing? Bebsy and Bebsoy, welcome to the channel. Woohoo! Go Doge Army, go! So let's take a look at the Doge price right now. The Doge. Let's take a look at the Doge. Let's see what's going on. Let's click, and this is a 4-hour time frame right now. So you can see that during the flash crash, Doge went as low as almost 21 cents. But we have another support level here, and this support level is around about 32 cents. So we need to stay above that support level. So then we have this level here that's acting as resistance right now. Let me just change that color. Let me change it. So we have a resistance level right here at 37 cents. So I think we're going to be trading in this area for a little bit. You know, we still keep getting these pullbacks, these manipulated dumps that keep happening. You guys just need to be patient. This is all coordinated. The big whales right now, guys, are paying media to rehash old stories about China this, China that. And it's creating a lot of FUD, creating a lot of fear, creating a lot of panic. And that's why we're seeing a lot of selling pressure. A lot of longs are getting liquidated. So you guys just have to hold the fort, hodl, don't worry. Now's a good time to pick up some more Doge. You know, you're going to see Doge in this area. We've got some really good support around 32. So don't worry about it. Hombres. Any super chats out there? Hey guys, we've got 110 people watching the live stream. You guys need to smash the likes. You guys need to do it. Smash the like, guys. Tell YouTube that you like this live stream, and then that means more people will jump in, and we can get the party started. So please, guys, smash the live stream right now. We got 111 people in the house. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad everybody's here. Ricky's saying hodl. Absolutely. We've got Claudia from Croatia. Welcome, Claudia. Hope you're having a great day. You know, so, you know, people asking me where is Doge going to go in the next couple of hours. Well, like I said, we're going to be banging between 33 cents and 37 cents. You know, we got the weekend coming. As I said, you know, Monday to Friday things pump, and then Saturday and Sunday things dump. So we can expect lower volumes, guys, lower volumes, lower trading volumes over the weekend. So I really believe that we're going to be okay in these targets right there. Okay. Hey Rosa, thank you very much for that super chat. And she's asking, what do you think about ADA, Cardano, Dogecoin to the moon? ADA, I love ADA. I love Doge. You know, ADA right now. Let's go here. It's better. So ADA in the past 7 days, Rosa, as you can see, ADA is off 30%. You know, it reached almost $2.17 at its high before the flash crash. Doge as well. You know, Doge we were seeing you know, above 50 cents, 53 cents was incoming. Then we had the flash crash. That flash crash took us down almost 31%, 32%. So everything just dumped. You know, ADA, we got smart contracts coming out really soon, end of July. ADA is definitely going to be pumping back up to, you know, $2.50, $3 definitely incoming. Once all of this hubbubaloo, all this manipulation is over, we should be doing just fine. Dogecoin, my Doge army, my Doge tribe, Doge to the moon, woof woof. You know, like I said, we're going to be consolidating in this range until all of this craziness is over. Remember in 2017, we had exactly the same thing happen with Bitcoin. We had the China FUD, we had a huge 50% correction, and then we had that huge pump. So there's going to be a huge pump incoming. Dogecoin definitely going to be hitting. I think we could see, you know, dollar bills sometime in June. Exactly when in June, I don't know. But we know that there may be a big announcement either on June 9th or on Elon Musk's birthday on the 28th. That's my speculation. Remember, I think something big is going to happen. All right. So Rosa, thank you for that super chat. Appreciate that. Beautiful. All right, guys. We got 55 people in the house. Any more super chats out there? Any more questions that anyone has? Let's see. Can we see 30 cents? You know, like I said, I think we've got a lot of really good solid support around here, guys. So I think we'll be trading above this, and then I think Monday will break past 37. And then we have, we had our previous floor at 50 cents, and then we had that huge crash here. It's just a matter of time. Things are going to go up. Somebody's asking me about Shiba. What can I say about Shiba? Shiba. Let's see, Shiba is like down again. It's almost evaporated to nothing right now. I mean, we're getting pretty close to it going to nothing. So if you're in Shiba, there's nothing you can do except hold and pray that it's going to go up. So I really can't comment on Shiba. Do your own risk management. That's my advice, guys. All right. Any more questions in the comments? Anything that I can answer? Any more super chats? There's a story that just came out on Bitcoin.com, and it's asking about who owns the mystery Dogecoin. Whale addressed as a Robinhood CEO dismisses speculation. So it's an interesting article. It's talking about who actually owns the whale, the random whale, Elon Musk or Robinhood. Why is the Dogecoin DH5Y address? It's still an unsolved mystery. So the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, we've talked about, it's had a phenomenal year. It hit an all-time high of 73 cents 13 days ago, and it's dropped down now to 33 cents, as we can see here at time of this live stream, guys. So it has held up well. It's still up 25% over the last 30 days. So it's still up, guys, 25% over the last 35 days. But one of the big complaints about the Dogecoin economy is its massive amount of Doge whales addressed. So we can, there was this tweet on the 15th. There's a lot of speculation that this address is owned by Elon Musk. What do you guys think? Mention something in the comments. I appreciate it. Tell me what you think. Alrighty. So this is this address that everyone's talking about. I personally think it's Elon Musk's wallet. What do you guys think? Some people are saying it's owned by Robinhood. I think it's Elon Musk. I'm pretty sure. So the address has sent a total of 100 million Doge, worth over 45 million using today's Dogecoin trade. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been the ardent supporter of Doge. We know that the Doge father has been going nuts, big supporter for us. That's great. I believe it's his. I really believe that it is the Doge father. And I believe that we're going to get some significant news from Elon Musk on the 9th of June or the 28th of June that's going to clarify this rumor. And then, we had that thing, how much is that Doge in the window? And we saw that $1 bill that was in the background there. So what do you guys think? Paul, you're asking about those speculative tweets. I mean, I think we saw the first tweet that I sent out actually happen. We saw that big capitulation, that big dump on the 18th. And we saw a mini dump last night, Asia time or early morning US time. So let's see. I mean, I think, if we look at the markets right now, we can see that BTC is down. It's down, guys. So let's see what's going to happen, But I think there's definitely manipulation going on. Remember, the Chinese are about to launch their Chinese yuan, so they're going to be beating up a lot of other cryptocurrencies because they want mainstream adaptation for their central bank currency, which is the Chinese yuan. So and then we have these whales and these big institutions, as I talked about, spreading a lot of FUD. They want to come in and buy your Bitcoin cheap, guys. That's all. That's what's happening. So you guys just need to hodl. Don't panic. Now is a great time to go and buy the dips. You could have pick up some Bitcoin, pick up some ETH, pick up some BNB, pick up some ADA. Definitely go pick up some Doge, because soon, these prices that you're seeing right here, in a couple months, this will only be like a distant memory. So you guys need to pick some stuff up. Babsy Perth. So $1 is $1 is definitely going to be incoming. Typically when we have these major FUD events, these dumps caused by these whales, after they bought all their Bitcoin and they've taken them off exchanges, moved them to their cold wallets, you're going to see a massive pump soon. It's normal. Don't panic, guys. You guys need to have diamond hands. Dogecoin to the moon. Woo, woo, woo. All right. Yeah, you know, I love Michael Davis. I love his YouTube channel. Yeah, he's talking about, there's a recent article that said that there's going to be a 10x increase in Dogecoin market cap to 1 trillion. Yeah, it could happen. You know, who knows? But let's see. Any more super chats out there? We got 149 people in the house. I need you guys to go and smash the likes right now. I got 77 likes. I need more people to smash the like, please. All right? Thank you. Get out there, smash the like. Smash it. Smash the like, guys. Woohoo! Now, I got a video coming out at 12 o'clock Bangkok time. You guys need to jump in on that and watch it. We're going to be talking about all the FUD, why we got the FUD, market manipulation, some price targets, some announcements that's coming up. You need to jump in and watch that video. Yeah. All right. Any super chats out there? I need you guys to bang the likes. Please bang those likes. Boom. Hit that like. We got 87 likes, 131 people in the house. Thanks, Rosa. Thank you for your support. Any more super chats out there? Yeah, I got a comment from Loyalty Watson saying TA doesn't work. I mean, listen. TA is not a science. TA only works until it doesn't, okay, guys? TA is just an indicator of trend. But, you know, in this crypto market, anything can happen. You know, we could be at 73 cents, then we got the SNL on May 8th, and suddenly we dump and tank. You know, buy the rumor, sell the news. Who would have anticipated this big flash crash, guys? Nobody. This is one of the single most largest dumps almost in the history. It happened. We lived through it. We're still alive. Those of you that sold and are now, you know, upset because you're sold, well, that's what the whales want. They manipulated you. They used, you know, the media to create FUD, to scare the pants off you, so you would have paper hands. Diamond hands, guys. Woof, woof. Doge to the moon, guys. Doge to the moon. All right? Yeah, I mean, Watson, it only works till it doesn't. Nobody can anticipate large dumps, large liquidations, the manipulations. TA is, it shows you indicative trends. You need to know that, okay? It's just indicative. If TA was 100% accurate all the time, everybody would be billionaires. It just tells you the trends. That's why I always tell you, you guys need to zoom out, look at the trends. You know, if we zoom out on the one-day chart on Doge, on my Doge, you can see on the one-day chart we've had a pretty parabolic increase. Now we have a descending triangle forming from here to here. So from here to here, this is a descending triangle on the one-day chart. And we just needed to break out. And let's see, let's get drawing. Let's get drawing, guys. Okay, so let's look at this descending triangle. Let me change the color to make it a little bit more easy for you guys to understand. So if you look on the one day, we have a descending triangle that's going all the way from here. Boom. And then we can take it from here, this point here. Whoops, daisy. Measure the move for here. Let's change that here. Basically, we have a descending triangle that's forming like this on the one-day time frame. So if we want to have an upside, we need to have We need to break out of this triangle. If we don't break out of this triangle soon, then the next target is. So you can see this descending triangle, right, guys? So we need to break out. Right now we're going in this direction, right? But we have major support here. So that's why I think that we're going to break out of this triangle soon. Probably, you know, if things continuation, we have a continuation pattern, we should start to break out of this pattern sometime end of May, in June, beginning of June. But I think we're going to break out past that descending triangle much faster. You can still see that, you know, if we look at this wick here, this is support, this is resistance. We're still in this area. If we can go up and break past this resistance and break out of this triangle, then that will have a, you know, we'll have a bull flag indicator, and that will take us up to the next levels. That's where I see it, guys. You know, remember, TA is not exacting science. All right, guys? All right, so don't beat me up. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball. If I had a crystal ball, I'd be a gazillionaire. All right? Okay, let's see. Let's say, yeah, we don't know. Right now we're forming a descending triangle. A descending triangle is often a bearish indicator, and if we want to change this bearish downtrend to a bullish downtrend, we need to break through this resistance level here. And if we can break through this resistance level, then Doge will signal a bullish signal, and then that will take us in an upward direction. But right now, Doge is looking very bearish because we've formed a descending triangle, guys. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay? Remember, and TA is not science, guys. But we can see the pattern. You guys all agree that's a descending triangle, right? And we need to, if we want to reverse this trend, we need to break out. But right now, if you ask me where we're going from a TA perspective, we're trading in this area here. We're consolidating here, and I believe that we're going to consolidate and break out. Okay, based on experience. But if we don't break out, if we don't break out soon, then the next likely is we'll follow this descending triangle to this area, form our new bottom, and then have an upward here. So we don't know. It's 50-50 at this point. I don't want to tell you any stories. I'm not going to sugarcoat stuff. You know, a lot of YouTubers, they talk about, oh yeah, life is good and everything's fantastic. We're going to Mars. We're doing this. The TA doesn't say that. The TA says right now, if I look at this, we need to break past this resistance level here and here. If we do that, we have an upside. If we can't do that, then we're going to continue on this downward trend. That's it. Simple. It's not rocket science, guys. Okay? And if you want to find out more about what I'm talking about, go to Investatopia and you can learn about TA. Okay? I'm not a big believer in TA. You know, TA is only an indicator, a guide, but it's not rocket science. Okay, guys? Hey, Mark. Good morning. Any super chats out there? I got 168 people in the house. I got 104 likes. I need you guys to smash the likes. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to do Q&A. So if you got any questions, now is the time to answer them. All right. So yeah, TA just gives you, indicates the direction. TA right now is telling me that we're consolidating here. And if we don't break out soon, then we're going to continue down. That's it. Hello. So someone's asking, what is the resistance we need to break? Well, the resistance is right here. We need to break this 36.8, 37, the 37 area. That's what we need to break out right now. If we don't break this resistance level, then we're going to, it could signal a downward trend. All right. And then our next support level, you see this bull flag indicator here? Our next support level is around about 25. So we need to stay, we don't want to break down past that box, because then we could see us heading down to 25. And if we look at where 25 is, that's our next support level right there, around 25. Okay, so we've got support here. We need to break out. If we don't break out, we're going down to 25. Okay, so guys, let me see if I can zoom this up for you guys. Okay, so we're here. We can trade in here and break out. We need to break out past this resistance level. If we don't, if we drop below this support level, then our next support is 25, and then we're going to do this. Okay, that's the options. Okay, so my current support is absolutely right, is around about 32-ish. Okay, yep. Kevin Yang is asking, will ETH hit 2K? I don't think so. I think we're pretty, if we look at the Ethereum chart right now, I don't think we're going to see that. I think we have major support. We have major support. If we look at this level here, this is a key support area here, right here, at 2000. Around 2023, this is major support. You know, we touched it here, we touched it here, we bounced off, so this is major support. I don't think Ethereum is going to drop through that. Any super chats, guys? All right, any super chats out there? We have 153 people. Please smack that like. We have 1 dislike. Whoever disliked the channel, thank you very much. I appreciate everyone's opinion, be it good or bad. Tell me what you think. One inch. Let's take a look at, someone's asking about 1 inch. Any super chats out there? So 1 inch is down 50%, so it performed worse than Bitcoin right now. It's down 24%. You know, now's a good time to go and bargain shop. You know, go and pick up. Now you should be shopping, guys. If you have stable coin, now's a good time to go shopping. Buy some coins on the dip and look at the Bitcoin dominance. It's up 1.9%. Okay, this bull run is not over. Okay. We're at 1.12 trillion. We're down 17%. So Bitcoin dominance is still climbing. It's still, you know, it's up. So are we still in the altcoin season? Let's take a look. Let's take a look, guys. Altcoin month index, you see, we're, according to for the month, we're kind of moving out of we're moving more towards Bitcoin. For the year, we're still heavily into altcoin season. So let's take a look at altcoin season. Yes, these are the top performing: Matic, Doge. Let's look at the month here. Top performing last 30 days: Matic, ETC, Waves, 88, Doge. These are the top performing in the last 30 days. But you can see, is this altcoin year? Yes, top performing last year. How about the month? Is this altcoin month? No, because Bitcoin dominance is rising. If 75% top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 30 days, it's altcoin month. So we're not in altcoin month, because you can see all these coins are down. So Bitcoin dominance is rising, and if we want to see the alts absolutely pump, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance drop some more. You know, once it gets into the, you know, low 40s, 35% to 40%, that's when you're going to see more of a pump. Woof woof, go Doge, go. Any super chats in the house? Hey David, welcome. Maya Lim, thank you. Mickey, thank you very much. Someone's asking, should I go all in on, let's see, should I go all in? Kevin Yang is asking, should I go all in on ETH? Well, I know there's good support for ETH right here. You know, I still see that ETH could hit $5,000. I really believe it. I'm holding my ETH. I haven't sold any of my ETH. That's me. That's not financial advice. Guys, any super chats? Any more questions? If not, I'm going to cut this live stream soon, guys. No more questions. No more super chats. Rosa, I want to thank you for your super chat. I really appreciate that. That's something special. Appreciate all of that. All right, guys. If there's no more questions out, I'm gonna cut the live stream, and I'm gonna be saying good night and goodbye. Woof woof to the moon, guys. Woohoo, Doge Army to the moon.